I was hoping to do a quick repair on this small Soundesign model number 4611 personal stereo cassette player. And in testing, I found two things. One, the cassette ran extremely fast. And two, the left speaker has no output. I'm not sure if you can tell in this video. Opening up this player is not difficult. There are just 6 screws on the back that you need to remove, and then carefully pry the top off, turn it around, and remove 3 more screws. And this splits the case entirely so that you can open it up and get at everything. The cassette mechanism is very interesting as it only supports fast forward and high speed fast forward. Troubleshooting the left speaker not working was actually quite easy once I unscrewed the circuit board and flipped it over to inspect the solder joints. What I found was a lot of corrosion that I didn't expect to see. You can see on this side here where the speaker connections are that the traces are pretty much corroded through. Looking over the circuit board, there are quite a few areas of corrosion. My solution here is to use some CLR on a cotton swab and just douse these areas to hopefully prevent future corrosion. Using my trusty multimeter, I will verify that some of these traces are bad. Here I'm testing the left speaker. And here's the right speaker. Back to left, and there's nothing. So I soldered in some jumper wires where I found the connections to be poor. And it seems to have worked. I have sound from both speakers now. I didn't feel like taking the whole cassette mechanism apart to replace the belts. They actually seemed to be in good condition. So what I did was I just adjusted the speed of the motor using this potentiometer here.